As you can see, I have my bumblebee and my honey. And this is what I use for tapping. Tapping is a serious thing. Only the smart know what that is. So I'm not going to get into this right now because it's not about tapping. It's about me having my gorgeous morning coffee. Oh, I love these coffees. They're so fantastic. I love them, I love them, I love them. And one day you'll get to enjoy them with me at my restaurant. So, and you can have coffee, you can have tea, or you can have me. Now, whether I'm going to wrap for you, whether I'm going to give you a present, whether I'm going to take 50% off your meal, that's the me part. And we'll figure it out when we get there. Okay, it all depends on the client, the family, and whatever. But as for now, yeah, I'm just having a little bit of salted caramel. I'm not actually going to have that this morning. This is not open, but I am going to put a little bit of mocha in it. I thought that was kind of nice. But anyway, here I am. This was halfway through my 9-album rap career. And it's 187 Mama Pimp Mafia. And here I am. I'm a rap genius. Yeah, it's me. It's all me. You know what it is. I work so hard to gain the knowledge, the wisdom, the concepts, the flow, the genius. These are some of my girls that I worked with me during the process. So, yeah, it was nice, you know. Oh, here's Vegas 9. He did a huge, absolute painting. It was gorgeous, and a huge house.
And here's a big mural he did
in Mississauga, and that was a whole wall.
Yeah, look at the painting.
And this is what he wanted. So Vegas painted it, and here he is. There's Vegas 9, and this was the painting. The painting is, you see the painting? Oh my God, look at the shirt. He's got all the wrinkles and crinkles. This guy is just like, Vegas 9 is my heart, bro. He's the Picasso of the world. Yeah. So this is yeah, it was really crazy. This is one that I did for Woodbine Racetrack. It's kind of like trying to sell their casino stuff. And here's me in the mansion. And you know what it is already. It's the flavors. It's like coffee. Teas are me. Here I am in the library of my mansion. Here I am in the studio.
She wears many hats and displays many faces, but she's just one person. She's talented beyond words that can compare. She's an extraordinary connoisseur of love, live, life, happiness, joy, compassion,
so we have the first
empathy.
Shot. Vegas
She's
9,
very straightforward. She is the goddess of love,
Vegas 9,
life, art.
Concept by 187 Mafia.
This is one of my concepts. This is one of my movies.
Mafia with the Jockey Swag movie.
You know, it never stops.
Mafia.
Getting ready to go out.
To impress.
Dressed to impress.
187 Mama Pimp Mafia.
Skinny like hell. No boobs. Too skinny. Punching like and fighting.
Mama Pimp Mafia.
Oh, this is my spiritual side.
The wild thing. This is
reading the universe and the world.
This is one of the gifts I have. This is 187 Mama Pimp Mafia, Skinny Me with becoming a cat. This is 187 Mama Pimp Mafia when I gained a little more weight and I became a robust bra lady. And this one here is just a thinker for your
gold
imagination.
Coming from the spirit of Mama Pimp Mafia, and always wear a smile.
Job,
the reason why I am here today is to talk about this particular company.
Remember, drink it up, baby, drink it up.
One doctor has got the country's ear. We could talk to this doctor for hours about the foods we put in our mouths.
This is a time bomb.
Tomato.
A tomato. Beans
In
are
making
killer.
effective products from fresh organic fruit and vegetables, you'll find essential oils and safes and settings.
Cardiologist Stephen
We
Gundry
believe in buying
says he
ingredients
solved
from
a
only
weight
companies
loss
that do not
mystery.
commission
I used to
tests
be
on
70
animals
pounds
and in testing
overweight,
our products
and
on
I was
humans. We
running
invent our
30
own
miles a
products
week.
and
I was doing
fragrances.
half marathons on the
We
weekend.
make
I was
them
going
fresh
to the
by
gym
hand
1 hour every
using
day
little
and
or
eating a
no
healthy, low-fat
preservative or
vegetarian diet.
packaging
And no
using
matter
only
what I
vegetarian
did, I couldn't
ingredients
lose weight.
and
That went
tell
on
you
for
when
20
they are
years.
made.
Then, suddenly, things changed.
I lost
We
50
believe
pounds
in
my first
happy
year.
people
I lost
making
subsequently
happy
another 20
soap,
pounds.
putting
So I
our
attribute
faces
almost
on
all
our
of my weight
products and
loss
making our
to the
mums
addition
proud.
of one thing that I did to my diet.
This is called
Click
Lush
Watch
Life.
More to discover Dr. Gundry's #1
The reason
superfood
why
for total
I'm
body
going through
transformation.
this today is because I'm very, very concerned about some of the ingredients. Like, for instance, take the
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi now for weeks.
luxurious
The Speaker
bath
trying to play
melts.
petty political games
Look
with this
at
nation
the
and the State of the Union and
ingredients.
the President. By the way, what is she fighting for? President's fighting life and death. President's fighting
Most
safety
of
and
the
security.
ingredients in here,
Well, she
you
has barred the president
cannot
from performing
even
his constitutional duty in the House chamber, making her the first speaker in U.S. history to ever do so.
comprehend
She refused to compromise on budget negotiations, wouldn't even come to the
because
table
of
to
the
talk
fact
about
that
any kind of deal.
titanium
She's been too
dioxide.
busy on her luxurious vacations.
How can
Other Democrats
titanium
on a lobbyist-paid
dioxide
junket,
be
again,
an organic
luxurious locations
material?
and resorts, planning taxpayer-funded excursions around the globe, and
Look at
to
this
even
one.
talk to the president was offered dramatic compromises, things she has said over the
Sodium
years she wants,
cocoa
and she has no time for that. But
phosphate.
tonight, the president, he rose above her bitter, petty,
say if
partisan
you cannot-
gamesmanship. He postponed the
Look-
State of the Union.
look at
Some
these
seem upset by
big
this. They want
words.
the
If
president
you
to go
cannot
to an
pronounce
alternative
them, do
location.
not put them on your
But I think
body.
it's a bad idea. Why? Because
This
the
is what
president,
they say.
to give up the grandeur, giving the State of the
Look at
Union
these
in the
great
House
big
chamber,
words.
Mr.
If you
Speaker,
cannot
the President of the United
pronounce
States.
them, do not
That
put
is a
them on
powerful
your
moment.
body.
You have congressmen and women and senators
And this
literally
is Lush.
staking out their seats so they can shake the president's hand
Just a
14
few
hours ahead
of
of
the-
time. No other place can match that symbolic location,
Look
the
at
grandeur,
the
and this
words.
president deserves
Look
nothing
at
less.
the-
And I'm sure that will happen in the near future. This is about so much
God.
more, though, than politics. This is about your safety.
I'm not gonna
your
say anything
security.
bad
This is about
about
the safety of
this.
the country
It's just
and
that
literally life and death.
I
And
don't
this is
understand
about
how
a
this
president
stuff could be
fulfilling a promise
organic.
to
Is this
secure our
all
southern
this
border.
stuff put
This is
in
about
these
saving
particular?
American lives that are impacted by gangs, cartels, drugs,
You know,
violence. It's life and death.
products
People
because
are dying.
they have to
90% of that
preserve
heroin
them,
that gets into this
because
country comes
fresh
from that
stuff
border. It's about
will
10,000 new migrants now obtaining visas from the
obtain
government of Mexico to
bacteria
travel through the
and
country
they will
in
ferment.
order to make their
So
way
I understand
north into
that.
our country because we have unsecured
But
borders. Now, when the
some
U.S.
of this
government is
stuff
reopened, the
is
president
just-
will hold his State of the Union where it belongs in the House chambers with members
Look
of
at
both
this.
parties hopefully present. In the meantime, the shutdown does continue. The
the
president has
words.
been unrelenting, fighting to make the country safer. Democrats continue to feed their
Like-
insatiable appetite, this pathological hatred, this division that they have, and of course, it's always about a desire for power. And breaking tonight, the White House is
Pathological
reportedly now drafting a national
Why
emergency order and allocating
is-
$7 billion for that wall that would
This is kinda
require
cool. It's
zero
called karma.
congressional approval. And today,
Honey, I
the
watched the
president
kids
reassured
in
Americans
karma.
that he will get guaranteed funds for the
Here
wall
again,
one
look
way
at
or
the
another.
big words.
Let's take a look.
Well, one of the ideas suggested is they open it, they pay a sort of a prorated down
The
payment.
same thing applies
for
with David's
the wall,
teas.
Which I think people will agree that you need the wall. I have other alternatives if I have to.
Anyway,
And I'll
I'm
use those
signing off right
alternatives if I
now.
have to. And we want to go through the system.
With Donald
We
Trump.
have to have a wall in this country. We have criminals pouring into our country. We have no choice but to have a wall or a barrier. And if we don't have that, it's just not going to work.
Again, I ask, what is Nancy Pelosi fighting for?
Signing
What's
off
in
right
the
now
best
with the
interest of the
world
country? President Trump
crisis.
remains ready, willing to negotiate with the Democratic